Good morning, my dear lovely kids. Welcome to the English class. Today, in this class, I am going to tell you about small cursive letter R. R for rabbit, rose, rainbow, rain, rice, rajma, like that. So, kids, here you can see this is capital letter R and this is small letter R and this is small cursive letter R. Today you are going to learn this small cursive letter R. R for rose, R for rainbow, and the phonetic sound says R. So this is your notebook. Those students who don't have the infinitive book, do work in this English notebook. And now I will tell you how to write the small cursive letter R. The steps are: here given. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and this is the step 4. So start from step 1, go slanting up. And step 2 is from here, make a loop, take turn and make a loop. And step 3, like sleeping line. And step 4 is come down, turn upside. Again, start from this basic line. Watch carefully, kids. Start from this basic line, go slanting up. And here make a small loop. And come slanting here, and from here come down and make a turn upside like this. Loop, sleeping line, come down and turn upwards. This is small cursive letter R. R for rose, rainbow, rocket, rain, rice, rat. This picture is rat and other birds also there. And next, in page number 63, write the letter R and complete the word. You know this picture? Which animal is this? Yes, very good. It's a rabbit. So you write here small cursive letter R for rabbit like this. And next, color the picture starting from the letter R. Here 3 different pictures are given. First you read the picture and identify the picture. The first letter, rod. This is rod. And this is tree. And this is four. And the first letter, rod, R. So you have to color on this picture. Whenever you do work, kids, first you write the date also. And next you complete your work. Now I will tell you how to write R letter in your copy. Start from this basic line, same, go slanting up, make a small loop and come straight, make a sleeping line and come down to the basic line, touch the basic line and go upwards. Okay kids, so you complete all these work, and after doing this work you write again from letter A to R in your practice copy. I will show you. In this practice copy, write the date and write A to R letters. You write like this heading, and next from A letter to R letter you read and write. Do the practice of these letters daily. A, B, C, T, E.
You have to paste this activity in your copy. Take.
So, like this, you also do the practice of these letters 2 times and send pics to your respective class teachers. Kids, today there is an activity I am going to tell you. You have to do that activity in your copy. A4 size sheet paper, white paper, and how to do that activity I will explain you You watch the video carefully and do it yourself. So you take this type of A4 sheet paper. First you draw the outlines and after that you give the heading. Kids, after doing the boundary lines in this paper, now you take sketch colors of different colors. You write each letter with different color. First I am writing here red color with R. You also write yourself, kids. Next A, small letter A. Rainbow spelling we are going to write here I. N, rain, and now the spelling bow. B, and next letter is O, and the last letter W, rainbow. So you also same write like this, and after writing this you take pencil first. You start from this bottom line. Write a curved line 1, another curved line 2, another 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last line is 8. And now it's time to fill the colors in this rainbow. So first color we are going to fill in this is violet. So you all and fill in this dark blue indigo color in this second, and next in the third color this light color blue. I am showing you, kids. You complete this one, and next we will take green color. After blue we will apply here green color, and after green color you take yellow color. After green you apply yellow color to complete this rainbow, and next orange. Next which color after yellow? Orange. And after orange in the last you take the red color. So like this, kids, you complete this. I am showing. So here it is a rainbow. R for rainbow. After finishing this, you can draw sun, clouds, birds like this. And now tell me where you see this rainbow. Yes, we see this rainbow in the sky. So I hope you all enjoyed this making rainbow with 7 colors. You can see here in rainbow there are 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the rainbow colors. You also draw and send a pic with holding this rainbow in your hand, and you can say a sentence. Whenever you say, first you tell your name, my name is, and after that you say sentence about this is rainbow. In rainbow there are 7 colors, like that. Okay, kids, have a great day.